When you're the Trump administration and you lose back-to-back major issues before the United States Supreme Court and the Fourth Circuit Court of Appeals on your immigration and deportation policy and your abuse of the Alien Enemies Act to do it, when you lose both of those things, including a 1 a.m. in the morning Supreme Court decision last Saturday, you know it's going to have a ripple effect on your other cases. And the American Civil Liberties Union has just filed a new amended class action in the same court in the District of Columbia with Jeb Boasberg presiding. And now they're trying to make an argument, I think it's a good one, that the 150 or so people who were already deported without notice, without due process, and sent by Donald Trump in the middle of the night under the Alien Enemies Act to CICOT, the prison in El Salvador, we're obligated to give them due process rights and constitutional rights. And just as in the Obrego Garcia case before Judge Zinnes, just as the government needs to facilitate the release of Obrego Garcia from that prison, they need to do the exact same thing about those poor 150 that also got deported without notice. Now, look, I don't know if they're criminals or not, but that is something for a judge to decide on notice and due process, and that's what's missing. And I love this angle that the ACLU has taken with its new filing. They've said, Judge, certify this class. The class or the subclass is all those people that went on those first flights and landed in El Salvador. They need to be returned, just as Abrego Garcia needs to be returned. So certify the class and issue an injunction that requires the court essentially to do what the Supreme Court has said they need to do in the Abrego Garcia case. So it's taking the teachings from two recent cases, one in particular by the United States Supreme Court, and applying it here.